Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm walking you around a brand new Audi R8 that we've just upgraded with a full security package. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit the subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go. So the customer literally picked up the car from Cambridge Audi yesterday and it's straight in for its upgrades. In terms of obviously the asset itself, obviously these cars are phenomenal. However, you need to keep it protected, and that's exactly why the customer has made the right decision in getting the car protected by ourselves here in Cambridge. In terms of the solution, what we've gone for is firstly a Ghost Immobiliser. So the Ghost Immobiliser basically sits onto what's called the CAN bus line of the vehicle. So in essence, the vehicle's brain, and what it does is it in essence actually kind of programs into the car, so that even if you have the vehicle's key, you cannot start the vehicle without entering a unique code is unique to the customer's mind as such. So we've configured that already. Then we'll be doing the handover where we actually showcase exactly that, how to change the code, and then they change it to however they want, and they can change it literally on a daily basis. So it uses unique code and sequence between 4 button presses to 20 button presses. Please don't do 20, keep it down to the lower one, otherwise you will be there all day trying to start your car. But in essence, rather than putting your foot on the brake and just going through and starting the car straight away, all you do is you turn ignition on, enter your unique code, and then you go to start the vehicle. So it's a slightly different way on using the vehicle day to day. However, it keeps your vehicle on your driveway, it keeps it secure and in your own hands. So that's basically a brief overview on the Ghost Immobiliser. Then what we've got is the tracking system. In terms of the tracking system, it's called a Vodafone S5 VTS tracker. Basically, it comes with 2 ADR cards, which are conveniently placed here. So these ADR cards, basically, you keep one of them on your keys or on your person at any time whenever you're driving the vehicle. If this vehicle is started, moved, whatever it is, without that tag present, you'll get a phone call notification, a push notification on your phone, or whatever it might be. You'll get notified, and then if the vehicle is stolen, you report that to Vodafone Automotive. They liaise directly with the police to get your vehicle recovered. Literally, this is personal experience, guys. I've known a customer that's had their vehicle stolen from their driveway, and it was within about 15 minutes or so, the vehicle was recovered by the police, and actually recovered, and all thanks down to this exact tracking system. So it does work, I know it works, and we use it. I've literally got the same system on my own vehicle. So overall, that's a really nice system. You can see what sort of features and benefits you guys will be getting by downloading the My Connected Car app live directly, already on the App Store and on the Google Play Store, if you want to see a little bit more about the features that would give you. But the other thing we want to talk to you about is the other last bit of the security package, which is the DashCam solution. So not only does this protect you while on the road, it also protects you while you're parked. How it does that is really cool. Basically, you've got a front and rear dash camera solution. You've got 4K image quality. You've got a really discreet rear dash camera. However, what you've also got on here is an I-volt battery. In essence, you drive for around about 30 minutes. You get about 16 hours on the other side of parking mode. Now, it's true parking mode without the need of any jaw on your vehicle's battery. So your vehicle is protected as well. So it's not going to have battery issues or anything like that, because a separate battery is there live directly ready to go. So overall, a really, really nice solution that we've added in. You've also installed, obviously, to the highest possible installation standards. It's a very discreet solution. The rear camera is really nice and neat. Front one's pretty much hidden behind that factory Audi R8 mirror. So if you are interested in getting a security package like this, you know exactly what to do, guys. Drop us a message on any of our social media platforms. We're more than happy to go through different options with you, or putting together a package just like this. So thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching. We'll see you soon.